So, welcome back to my next video of how to recharge your basalt stones, the thermal stones. So, get them outside once they've been cleaned, then place them on the grass or sand or anything like that, so you can allow them to charge up overnight. Even in the sunshine is a really good idea, just to get the energy working back within the stones. The best time to recharge them is under a full moon. Definitely keep them out under a full moon, it works brilliantly. Or in the middle of a storm like lightning, that really recharges your stones up. Another way of recharging the stones is to get sage, burn some sage, and then use that sage to actually recharge the stones. So you can use it over your stones to help charge them up. So that's a very simple way of doing them. But the best ways of doing them is getting it out into the, just getting them out in the earth. Or you can get your singing bowl, that's another great way of doing it, and then start the singing bowl as it goes round and over your stones, which is magical really in itself. And then if you don't have any of that, what you can do is you can literally just get the stones and just bang them together. Okay, just like when we do exercise, we feel refreshed. Well, by banging the stones together, it's the same way. You're just taking out any of the negative energy where it's been placed on someone's body, and you've used them just to recharge them really. But the best thing to do, get them outside in your garden. If you haven't got a garden, put them on a windowsill by the window so the sunlight can get to them, the moon can get to them, and then leave it about 24 to 48 hours and they will be lovely and charged up. Set the intention of what your goal is with these stones, and by looking after your stones you'll be looking after your clients, and you'll get really hopefully be able to help them feel more recharged by using these magical stones over their body for the thermal stones massage. This is Teresa Rich from Reflexology.